In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play offline battles in Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up two-player offline local battles in Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2. It is super simple to do, and the only requirement is that you connect an additional controller to any platform where you are playing the game. So go ahead and connect a controller. This can be done with a wired connection or a wireless connection. You just have to make sure that the controller is being properly detected by the platform where you are going to be doing the two-player offline battle. So, once the controller has been detected, usually if you are doing this process on a console, you will have to set up a user account, and most of the time this is very important to do. By setting up the user account, you are going to ensure that this is going to work. Now, you will be able to find the offline battles mode when you go over to the battle information station. So go over to the left side of the battle information station, and in there you will find a little bot titled Offline Battles. And as the name suggests, this is where you will be able to start setting up local battles or offline battles in Dragon Ball Z Xenoverse 2. So with the controller properly connected to your console, choose that option. So between free battle, local battle, choose local battle, and now you will be able to set up the roster. So player 1 can go ahead and choose their fighter, and likewise player 2 will be able to press a button on the respective controller and set it up as well. You can choose from a variety of stages, and once you are in, you will see the loading screen, and now you can play between both of you. So this is going to be by far the best way to do offline battles 1v1 with two players on the same platform, and you will be able to set it up however you like. You can also explore free battle, which gives you some other options, like for example 1-on-1, 2-on-2, and 3-on-3 battle against the computer, but regardless, choose whichever option you prefer. You will be able to set it up and see how it works. It is easy to set up, and the only requirement is that you have an additional controller. I hope I was able to help you on how to play offline battles in Dragon Ball Z Xenoverse 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.